Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you the Viper Smart Start app on Mazda 3 2015. So on the Viper Smart Start app on the phone, we're going to send the start command to the vehicle. The ignition will turn on. In a few seconds the car will start. After the vehicle started, we're going to have a starting time and running time on the app. On the top corner we can see the temperature. Inside the vehicle we can see the city and the timeline. We can shut the car off again by pressing and sliding again. We also have lock, unlock. We also have option for trunk. There is an option for panic if it's connected in the vehicle, trunk if the vehicle has power trunk. We have the GPS tracking and other features. For Viper remote starters, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.